Hi, this is Terry Whitmire from Printronix, and I'm going to show you a little bit about a P8000 in proper loading of paper, especially after you have a paper out condition. So right now we have a paper out condition. You can see down below the paper's empty there. The paper is out. At the front panel of the display you'll see a load paper in the display, and you'll see a blinking light, which is our warning light. So if we open up the cover of the printer, the best thing to do then is to go to the platen lever and go ahead and release the platen, or open the platen completely all the way to the stop position. And one of the things you can do then is that you can open up the tractors as well on both sides, and you can then drop the paper down or drop the paper out the back and then load the new paper. Again, we're in the middle of a print cycle, so that's one way you can do that, is just load the paper back up. Or you can actually put the new paper in. If you've got a top of form issue lined up already, you can see up here there's actually the perforation. What we could do is we can actually load another piece of paper into the lower tractors and line up the top of the form and overlay these two pieces of paper. For single part form we can do that, and then close our tractor on it, and then go to the other tractor, open that one up, and put the paper in that tractor, again lining the top of the form. And then it was just a matter of then closing the platen all the way and then bringing the printer online, and it'll pick up and start printing right away, right where it left off. Or again, we can just unload the tractors, and then we can just pull the paper down, and then we can reach down below. I'm going to have this over there for me. Reach down below, and we'll slide the paper up in between the printer here. And we'll line up the tractors again on both sides. A bit loose there, but line up the tractors on both sides as well. And then once we've done that, once we've got the tractors back and installed and closed, then again we can go ahead and set the top of form by rolling the paper up using the turner knob on the side. And we're going to roll it up till we see about where the perf is. And you can see the perf in the little notch here is where we're going to do it. Roll it above there a little bit. Close the platen lever now all the way to the close position. Go ahead and come to the front panel and hit the pause button to clear it. You can see it says offline data and buffer. We're going to then touch the top of form button, and then we're going to bring the printer back online. And the printer then is this way, and the printer will start printing the proper forms lined up and ready to go. One of the other things we're going to take a look at, so that's two ways of, again, changing and loading the paper.